Namaste, Vanakkam and hello everyone. So here onwards we are going to start our discussion on practical approach of Dinacharya or daily routine. A very fascinating and powerful tool for improving our quality of life. The most beautiful thing about daily routine is that it gives benefits even if we are dedicating a very little amount of time to it. And I hope that by the end of the series, Ayurvedic daily routine becomes a part of our life. So let us start without wasting much time. The first step in daily routine is waking up in the early hours of the day, which we call as Brahma Muhurta. What exactly we mean by Brahma Muhurta? Brahma Muhurta is made up of two words, Brahma plus Muhurta. Brahma is a Hindu deity who is considered as god of creation, and his consort is Devi Saraswati, considered as Devi of knowledge, memory, wisdom and music. Now, the time of our day and night are divided into 15 muhurtas as per Vedic system. Each muhurat is 48 minutes. Brahm Muhurat is the 14th muhurta or the second last muhurta of 24-hour cycle. Though there are various opinions in this regards, but we will stick to this one for simplicity. So roughly, it is 1.5 hours before sunrise. Now, as I told you that Brahma is the god of creation and his consort Ma Saraswati is a goddess of knowledge, memory, wisdom, music and arts. So if we represent our day and night with our life cycle, Brahma Muhurta basically represents our fetal life. This is the reason this time is considered as very powerful for conceiving thoughts or taking resolutions. So whatever mind conceives at this time reaches its destination faster. Second important principle that applies here is the Tridosh theory. Most of us might be aware that as per Ayurveda, the body is governed by three humors which are Vata, Pitta and Kapha. And each one of us has their own body constitution, which is generally a combination of these three. Off and on, Vata, Pitta and Kapha will keep repeating in one or the other context. And we will understand more about this as we go ahead. Now, like our body, our day is also governed by these three forces. Vata time in a day is 2 to 6 am and 2 to 6 pm. And Kapha time is 6 to 10 am and 6 to 10 pm. And Pitta time is 10 am to 2 pm and 10 pm to 2 am. Vata represents movement or wind energy, or in our body it represents nervous system. Similarly, Pitta represents fire or metabolism or any energy releasing process in our body. And Kapha represents water or fluid, for example, lymph and blood in our body. Now, as I said, Vata time is 2 to 6 am. That means that our nervous system is active in this period. And as we have rested well normally, our mind is relaxed. So obviously we are in alpha state of our mind. If we connect the dots, Brahma Muhurta, Vata, Pitta and Kapha, Devi Saraswati, and also understand the physiology of earth, this is the time when earth experiences a very pure and abundant universal energy. Therefore, this time is considered best for getting up, meditation, study, yoga and introspection. But why don't we actually get up, and why don't we feel this energy or have the ability to utilize it? I'll touch this topic in my next audio. Till then, stay connected.